Hello students, today we start the new topic, that is the area related to circle. 12.1 exercise. The area of the circle, that is pi r square. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, and area of the sector. The sector is, that is the circle, and that area, the area between the two radii and the arc, that is called the sector. So area of sector, that is minor sector, it's a minor sector, theta upon 360 pi r square. And area of major sector, that is 360 minus theta upon 360 pi r square. Now the area of segment. So segment, there is the segment. So area under the chord, and that's arc. That is the chord, CD is the chord, and that arc, that area is called the area of segment. That area is segment. That is area of segment, that is theta upon 360 pi r square minus 1 upon 2 r square sine of theta, and we also use the another formula, that theta upon 360 pi r square minus r square sine theta upon 2 cos theta upon 2. If the theta is more than 90 degree, then we can use also this formula, right? And that is the for minor segment. Now the exercise 12.1. The question number first. The radii of the two circle are, the radii of two circle, the first circle, radius of first circle, that is r1, and radius of second circle, that is second circle, it's a r2. So radius of first circle is given 19 centimeter and second one is 9 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle which circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. Let the radius of new circle that is r centimeter. So circumference of first circle plus circumference of second circle, that is equal to circumference of new circle. So it's a 2 pi r1, 2 pi r2, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi is common, r1 plus r2 equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi is cancelled with 2 pi, you get 19 plus 9 equal to r. So r equal to 28 centimeter. That is 28 centimeter. Right? Now come to the next question. The question number third. We want to find the area of, that is the gold part, that is the red part, and it's the blue part. And similarly next black part, and then white part. So diameter of the gold part is given, that is 21, and radius is become 21 upon 2. So area pi r1, we can use the radius r1, so pi r1 square. So 22 upon 7, 22, 21 upon 2, 21 upon 2. You can solve it, you find 346.5 centimeters square. Now we go for the next, that is for red part. So red part, their width is 10.5. Every increasing width is 10.5. It's a 10.5, that is 10.5. So R2 is become R1 plus width. It's a 21 upon 2 plus 10.5 width, that is become 21 centimeters. So radius of R1 2 is become 21 centimeters. So area is pi r2 square minus pi r1 square, that is the area. It's the area of gold. We can subtract the area of red, the area of red from this point up to this point, and we can subtract the area of gold from this. You find that is the area, that one area for the red part. So pi r square and minus pi r1 square. So put their values, and there is the pi r1. We know, also find the area of first gold one, so you can use here. So when we solve this, it's a 1386 minus 346.5. Now you get 1039.5 centimeter square, the area for red one. Now when we find the area for the blue, it's become a radius for that R3, that is radius of R2 plus width. It's become 21 plus 10.5, that is 31.5. And when we find that area, so we can use like that, area of blue part for there pi r square minus pi r2 का square. So pi 22/7, R3 is 31.5 into 31.5 into 31.5 minus that one area which already we have find, it says there we can use that area. We solve it and we find the area of. So when you solve this, you find the area of this part, let's say 3118.5, and the previous area, that is 1386. When you subtract it, it's become 1732.5 centimeter square. Right? So come to the next question. It's a question number 4. That is a wheel of the car, the diameter. The wheel of the car, those diameter is given, that diameter is 80 centimeter. The diameter is given. How many complete revolution does the each wheel makes in 10 minutes when the car is traveling with the speed of 66 km per hour? So car is moving with the speed of 66 km. So distance covered by the car in one revolution, that is the circumference of the circle. When we find the distance, it's one circle, it's a circumference. You cover the one wheel cover a distance in one revolution, that is the circumference. For example, it's a wheel and it's moved like that, so it's covered in one revolution, that is the distance, that is equal to circumference. So make it radius 80/2, you get 40 centimeter. The radius is 40 centimeter. So distance covered by wheel in one revolution, that is circumference of circle. It's a 2 pi r. That is 2 pi r. Right? So make it 22/7. R is 40. So you get 44 into 4/7, 176/7 centimeters. Such distance is covered in the one revolution by wheel. So speed of car, that is 66 km per hour. It means distance traveled by the car in 60 minutes, that is 66 km. So distance covered by car in 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. That is 60 minutes, we can say 60 minutes, that is 66 km. But the circumference in centimeter, but that is in kilometer. So converted in the all in centimeters. So in the 10 minutes, we find the distance covered by the car in 10 minutes. So converted into 1000, it becomes meter. When we multiply with 100, it becomes centimeter. Divided by 60 minutes and multiply with 10. So you cancel this one and you get 11. So when we multiply 11 with centimeters. Such distance covered by the wheel in 10 meters. But we want to find the number of revolutions. So number of revolution is equal to number of revolution, that is equal to distance covered by the car and rotation in one wheel, that is 11,000 and divided by 1760 divided by 7. The 7 is going upper side. When you cancel with the help of 11, 160, 0 is cancelled with the 0. Okay. One with 40, right? And you cancel these all, you get the answer is 4,375 rotation. So it's make a 4,375 rotation by the wheel to cover a distance in 10 minutes. Okay, so come to the next exercise, that is 12.2. So first question, the area of the sector of the circle with the radius 6 centimeter. If the sector is 60 degree, the radius of the sector is 6 and the center angle of the sector is 60 degree. The area of sector is we want to find. So radius is 6 centimeter, theta is 60 degree. Area of sector, theta upon 360 pi r square. Put their values, theta upon 360, 22 upon 7, 6 into 6. When you cancel each other, you get 132 divided by 7 centimeter square area of sector. Come to the next question, question number 3rd. The length of the minute hand clock is 14 centimeters. So minute hand clock, the length, that is the 14 centimeter, it will become a radius. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. For example, it's a minute hand when it's at 12 and now it's become at 1. So we want to find that one area. It's the area of sector. It's the area of sector. It's a 12 and after 5 minutes, right? So that is the difference we want to find. It's a 12 minutes, 12 at 5 minutes. So area, so theta, so angle we want to find first. The total angle is 360. The total angle is 360. Total angle is 360, but we want to find the angle of swept, that is for 5 minutes. So theta equal to, it's a 360, the theta create in 60 minutes. Theta angle in 60 minutes, that is 360. So angle in 1 minute, it's a 360 upon 60. So angle in 5 minutes, that is 360 upon 60 into 5. So it's cancelled with each other, you get 30 degree. So angle is become 30 degree. Now the area, that is theta upon 360 pi r square, that is 30 upon 360, 22 upon 7 into r. R is become 14 into 14. So cancel it, 0. It's a 6, it's 11, 2, 3. Right? So 154 upon 3 centimeter square. Right? So that is the area swept by the clock hand after 1 minute. Right? So come to the next question. It's a question number 9. We have discussed only the few questions. That question number 9. That is the a branch is made with a silver wire in the form of the circle with the diameter 35 millimeter. The diameter is 35 millimeter. He make a one circle with a wire, and there is wire is used to make the 5 diameter also. That is make to 5 diameter. 1 diameter, second diameter, third diameter, fourth diameter, then fifth one diameter. So it's become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 equal sector is created by this, right? So we have to find the two things. Find the angle between the two consecutive ribs in the umbrella, in this silver wire. So, and also find the length of the silver wire. So first find the length of wire used. So length of wire, first circumference, that is 2 pi r. We make that also, it's a circumference, plus 5 diameter. So it's a 22 upon 7, r is 35.2, it's a 5 into 35. So 2 is cancelled with 2, 10, it's a 10, 110 plus, so it's become 285 centimeter. It's a length. Now we find the area. Second one, we find the area. Area of sector. It's the area of sector. Area of sector, that is theta upon 360 pi r square. Theta. Now we find the theta first. So how we can find the theta? It's a 10 sectors. So theta equal to 360 divided by 10. You get 36. So 36 degree. So 36 divided by 360 into 22 upon 7. Then radius is 35.2. 35.2. Right? And when you solve it and you find out that it's a 385 upon 4 centimeter square. It's the area of sector. Right? So come to the question number 13. A round table cover the 6 equal design as shown in the figure. If the radius of the cover is, radius is given, that is 8 centimeter. Right? Find the cost of making the design at the rate of 0.35 rupees per centimeter square. So it's a table and they have divided into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first we find the angle. So it's become a segment, that is the part of segment. It's a part of segment. So we want to find the area of 6 segment first. So make the theta. So before we find the area, we find the theta first. Theta, that is 360 divided by 6 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So it's become a 60 degree. So area of segment. Area of segment. It's a minor segment. That is theta upon 360 pi r square minus 1 upon 2 r square sine of theta. So put their values. Theta, that is 360, pi is 22 upon 7, r is 28 into 28 minus 1 upon 2, 28 into 28 and sine 60. So if we solve it and you find that the area is become, so area of that is become 7.46 centimeter. That is for the one segment, but there is the area for 6 segment. There the 6 segment is there. So we find the area for 6 segment. Okay. Now we find the cost. So cost of 1 centimeter square area, cost of 1 centimeter square area, that is 0.35. But we have this. So cost of 6 into 7.46 centimeter square area, that is equal to 6 into 7.46 into 0.35. So if you multiply it and you get, that is rupees 162.6. So that is the cost required to make the table cover. So that's about your exercise and chapter 12. Thank you and have a nice day.